Hi, so I found this super useful AI flyer generator website. Even you no need to log in and just minimal prompt if you enter, it will give you total 9600 massive templates to choose from. Okay, you can see total 9600 templates are there. I can show you over here. You can see total 9600, and this is actually 300 in this 300 pages are there, and here it is showing just 32 of them. Okay, 32 templates are over here. So now and these all these are fully customizable. Okay, I will show you. I will customize one, and I will show you how you can edit everything like font. Okay, font family, size, colors, even this one pictures. Okay, whatever you want, fully customizable. Okay, this is generated by AI. And first I want to show you the prompt. You can see a very minimal prompt actually I entered: generate a flyer for a restaurant called Delic Choice. Okay, and over here this is actually our restaurant name, and this one is the category in the restaurant and cuisine category. Okay, so lots of templates are there. I want to simply this one customize this template over here. Okay, this one I want to customize. So first just you click on that template, and also I want to show you that I am not yet logged in. Okay, this is without, all these are happening without login. Okay, without login, without sign up. Okay, so now simply click on any template you want. I want to click on this template over here. So this is the customization page. So before I start doing any customizations, I want to show you that you simply click on this cross. Okay, you simply click on this cross icon. You no need to log in. Okay, as of now. So I want to show you these buttons over here. First we have this save button. Okay, next we have download, and finally we have the print. Okay, so now what you can do, you can change it everything whatever you want, but I also want to show you this one. This is your the design. Okay, this is the design space. Okay, and I am doing everything on mobile. Okay, so I am doing everything on mobile only. Okay, so you can do it as well, right? So next you have this one, some options over here at top, like redo, undo. Okay, you have this redo, then undo. Okay, delete, and some other copy. Okay, and over here you have these options over here, templates, then text, background. Okay, at the bottom you can see you have the logo, shape, image. Okay, then QR code, videos, animate. Okay, so now I want to just tell you that you first I want to change this one, order now at. Okay, so the text you want to change, or whatever element you want to change, simply you click on that. Okay, so this is order now at. Okay, I want to change that. So once you will click, so this is the space from where you can change anything you want. Okay, so for example I want to change this one, order now at. Okay, so you simply click on that space, and the keyboard will open, and from here you can add anything you want, like order now. I just want to delete at, only order now. Okay, then you have this one plus sign over here. Okay, so here you can add one more text. Okay, you can enter. Then we have this one, I want to delete. Okay, so I don't want this one, right? Next you can just order now. Yeah, this is the order now space. So from here you can select the fonts family, you can change. Okay, lots of fonts are there. You can see anything you want, you can simply change it, right? For example, this is the font, I have changed it. Okay, next you simply click on back. Here you have a few more options, like size of the font, then alignments, left, center, right. Then you have small, capital. Okay, uppercase, lowercase, and then you have the space, like for each word space. Okay, you can increase or decrease from here. And next we have color. Okay, this is important. So from here you can select the color as well, okay, font color, right? So this is all about the text. Now if you want to change the background, so you have this one background over here. So if you click, because I want to keep white, but if you want to keep any other, you can select. So you can see, once you select any color, the background will change automatically, okay. Next you have the logo over here, because we have this logo already generated. So if you want to change, you can change that. Now the shapes, okay, so we have some shapes over here. If you just notice, you will see, you will find some shapes, okay, at the bottom. So these are the shapes, okay, right? So just let me show you that shapes and all, you can change the color, okay. From here you can see the colors are getting changed, okay, these shapes at the bottom. Now next we have this one, just for the tutorial purpose, okay. And you can add new shape as well, okay. This is the add new shape option. Next and I just recommend you, every time you click on save option, okay, any change you make, you please click on save option, okay. And at the end you should download, or else you can print it, okay. So you can download means you can save it on your mobile device. Now next option is there, which is this one, image, okay. So we have some images, you can see, they also have some images. You can select anything you want from here. They have these are actually by default images library, you can say, okay. Next you can upload also, if you want you can upload, but for that you need to log in or register, okay. Next you have this one, QR code functions. If you want that your QR code should be present in this flyer, you can do so, okay. That email, phone number, website, okay, SMS, then contact, events, means content type what you want, okay. This is the email option, then phone, all these things, okay. So whatever you will select, you have to enter data also. For example, phone means you have to add phone number over here, okay. If it is this one, email means you have to add your email, okay. Then subject and message, okay. And logo, what logo you want. Then style, you have lots of actually QR code style. If you want to select that, you can select, okay. So what will happen, once they scan this code, okay, automatically means they will be able to email you, okay. So your email ID is subject and message, okay. Phone also, for example, phone, your phone number, then logo you want, okay, then QR code, okay. And the color is also there, background. So next we have this video option. So from here that you need to log in and register for the video. And animation, this is very important. So if you want to select the rise option, you can select. So this is how it works, and where you want exactly. For example, this is our title text, okay. And I'm just going to animate this title text over here on enter or on exit or both, okay. I want to keep it at both. Now this is our dish, okay. You select this dish, and here for example you want to animate our dish, okay. So this is slide, okay, slider. Now we have if you want to change this animation, you can change it from here. Simply click on change. Then we have bounce, okay. So our dish will bounce like this, okay. So I hope I have cleared, I have explained all the points, and also if you want to redo and undo, you can do so from here at the top, okay. You can delete element, any element you want. For example, this is actually one element I want to delete, this one, okay. So good, right? So you simply click on that, and if you delete that text will be deleted, okay. Or you can delete entire element, okay. And if you want to bring it back, simply click on this undo, okay. You can see, okay, the elements are back. So this is how you should practice, and just please try it out. I hope you can do it better than me. I have lots of confidence with you, and please comment your experience and where you actually reached, okay. And if you are able to download your finished design, because it will give me the idea and where we can improve. And I also request you, please check out our existing videos. We have lots of videos actually published for you. Just watch them. It will definitely add values, okay, in your career. And I want to wish you all the best. Okay, so thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.